episode of Joe Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the sonic screwdriver, the new one. Shut up! I'm reviewing the new sonic screwdriver. Ooh. Now, this particular sonic screwdriver has 4 different modes. That's right, don't get excited. 4 modes. Here's the first one. Okay, that's the second. That's 4. That's 4. Okay, that's 3, and that's 4. This is my favourite screwdriver. Oh, wait, I have to take a break in the review because I've just received a call on the TARDIS phone. Maybe it's the Brigadier. He's dead, isn't he? Hello, caller.
No, I wasn't talking to that decision. That was my decision. I approached Russell T. Davies. I emailed him and said, I know you're going to do this. I think you should think about me.
Yes. Your eyes don't deceive you.
Because I'd acted a lot for adults.
This is a phone which is accurate to the phone that Christopher Eccleston and David Tennant have, and was used in the Christopher Eccleston episode of the Savine Series 1 when he talked to Mickey about the football, because he wondered if it did football. I think I really like Series 6. Now, back to the review. Screwdriver. Now, it is I want to focus there. It's of a blue colour and has a light at the end. That's That's about Wait, is that someone else talking? Oh, it's the Doctor's trusty companion, Handles. Hello, Handles. What do you need to say?
I'm still there. I was in David Tennant. I was in Matt Smith. I was in Peter Capaldi. Nobody knows this about the time.
What's that, Handles?
I think I overpitched the comedy. If I had my time again, I would do the comedy very differently. But I think
yes, it was a disgrace to the memory of Nicholas Courtney. Thank you. Okay. Oh, fuck you, Stephen Moffat. So yeah, what does a sonic screwdriver do, I hear you ask? Well, it can open doors. Mum, is it on? Close doors. One open. Huzzah! And it also opens a gate to hell. The Demons episodes on computer. The Demons episodes on computer.
It's just fun to. It's fun to be naughty. I know some people get incredibly irate about it.
That was my sonic screwdriver review. Please rate this video 5 stars and subscribe to the Sonic Glasses YouTube channel. Thank you. Oh, and like it. Please. Do you please care to explain Hellbent to me?